Congratulations on your admission to Boston University and the Arvind and Chandan Nandlal Kilachand Honors College. My name is Carrie Preston. I am the director of Kilachand Honors College and a professor in the English Department and Women's Gender and Sexuality Studies program here at Boston University. Kilachand Honors College was founded in 2010 after a generous gift from BU trustee Rajan Kilachand. As we step into our second decade as a college, we are pleased to have established a vibrant living learning community that is fulfilling our visionary mission. The mission of Kilachand Honors College is to offer a challenging education grounded in critical and creative thinking and interdisciplinary problem solving. Kilachand provides an integrated 4-year curriculum in which students address important global, societal, corporate, and geopolitical challenges. We seek students who are intellectually curious and courageous, with a strong desire to connect the depth of learning they do in their major with other fields of knowledge and inquiry, and then to problems in the real world. Kilachand students earn a major in one of Boston University's 10 undergraduate schools and colleges while pursuing interdisciplinary liberal arts work in their honors classes. I want to emphasize again, 10 schools and colleges, because as you know, Boston is an amazing place to be a student. The wealth of universities in the city and the intellectual life they promote is exciting. But only BU, of all the excellent Boston institutions, has a College of Engineering, School of Business, College of Fine Arts, College of Education, Law, and Medical Schools, as well as liberal arts and sciences majors. Because BU is a large private research university, you have the opportunity to pursue a major, engage in mentored research with faculty, and receive a remarkable undergraduate liberal arts education at Kilachand Honors College. All Kilachand courses fulfill requirements for the BU Hub, our new and ambitious general education program. Your honors classes, combined with your major requirements, will constitute your unique path toward building the skills, knowledge, and habits of mind that help BU graduates thrive in their lives after college. Kilachand works to nurture these skills and habits of mind within a community committed to conveying the utmost respect for human dignity and difference, a community that invites the full participation of all members. Let's take a look at our curriculum map. Kilachand's 4-year curriculum builds in flexibility, particularly in the 2nd and 3rd years, to allow for study abroad, internships, and other valuable experiences. In the 1st year, students select from an array of fascinating seminars. These are small classes capped at just 15 students and designed to provide a detailed introduction to a field of study and a pressing problem in that field. Professor Sophie Godley from the Boston University School of Public Health teaches a seminar called Seeing Poverty that examines class formations and poverty through film, demographics, and history, as well as public health research. Professor Linda McLean from the BU Law School offers a seminar on marriage, families, and gender. And Professor Sean Tallman from the College of Human Medicine offers a provocatively titled course, Fractured Lives and Bodies, Forensic Anthropology, Disasters, and Human Rights. I highlight these classes from a number of interesting offerings because they include faculty from public health, law, and the medical school. No other undergraduates besides our honors students have the opportunity to study with faculty from these graduate programs. Kilachand students also take a writing studio each semester of their 1st year. These are 2-credit courses that fulfill the university's writing requirements, but with a flexible curriculum built each semester around provocative performances, exhibitions, concerts, or other cultural events. Students read Zadie Smith's fantastic novel, Swing Time, attended her lecture, and then best of all, had breakfast with her the next morning and got to ask her their own questions. To prepare for the residency of the great filmmaker Werner Herzog last spring, we hosted a number of film screenings and discussions. These engaging events inspire student writing, while they learn the crucial critical reading, thinking, and writing skills that are necessary for success in any major and professions beyond college. In the second or third year, students take a sequence called Interdisciplinary Perspectives on Global Challenges. The argument of this exciting curriculum is that to understand the major challenges we face as a society, much less to find solutions, we will need the tools and methods of every discipline. I am teaching a course this semester on the crisis of forced displacement with a team that includes Professor Mohammed Zaman, a biomedical engineer, and teaching fellows from the law school, sociology department, and Pardee School of Global Studies. As the coronavirus pandemic has infected populations across the globe, our class has turned our attention to the impact on the most vulnerable communities in refugee camps. Kilachand students also have the opportunity to engage in experiential learning projects associated with the Kilachand curriculum. Through our interdisciplinary program in forced displacement studies, students participate in ongoing efforts to respond to refugee crises in Uganda, Colombia, and Lebanon, partnering directly with local universities, NGOs, and multiple government institutions and policymakers. Our students who travel with the program recognize the many challenges and identify opportunities to improve the health and well-being of refugees in each country. In the junior year, Kilachand students prepare for their senior Keystone projects through a 2-credit proposal workshop that takes them through the stages of designing a project, articulating a methodology, and writing a proposal and a budget. Juniors also take a course called The Process of Discovery, which introduces them to major research methods across fields and helps them understand what constitutes data in various disciplines, as well as how to evaluate the data in facts, statistics, and polls we see every day. In the senior year, our students take a 2-credit seminar each semester called People in Process, a title that refers both to the luminaries whose lives and works make up the content of the fall course, and to the students themselves who are embarking on their own next steps and considering the choices and changes they might initiate in post-undergraduate life. The senior seminars have the dual purpose of supporting students' Keystone projects and asking them to think in broader ways about the significance of their work. The Keystone project is a substantial work of empirical or scholarly research, creativity, or invention that Kilachand students complete in their senior year. Students share their projects with faculty, mentors, friends, and parents at the annual Keystone Symposium, an event that celebrates student achievement, creativity, and research. All of this takes place within a supportive, living, learning community that offers some of the educational experiences you might find at a small liberal arts college, but with access to the extensive resources of Boston University. We seek to offer a little of both worlds. Our living learning community is built during the first year when students live together in Kilachand Hall. After the first year, students can choose to live in our beautiful brownstone Kilachand House. Throughout their 4 years at Kilachand, our students remain linked to Kilachand Hall because this is where our directors, our staff, and advisors hold offices. Our amazing team of advisors helps students develop their unique pathway through the BU Hub, Kilachand curriculum, and major courses, using a collaborative process of intellectual exploration that connects students to the many resources of Boston University. We also hold our co-curricular events here in Kilachand Hall. The Kilachand Co-curricular Program builds from our formal curriculum to bring students together and invite them to meet artists like Min-Jin Lee and Zadie Smith, or the astrophysicist, cosmologist, inventor, science educator, author, and actor Hakeem Olusei, who was in residence this past fall. Other events explore topics and contemporary problems, such as mass incarceration, migration, and gene editing. We provide opportunities to focus on health and wellness, including our Circles series, body positivity, LGBTQIA+ Circle, and Persons of Color Circle. Hosted at Kilachand Hall, the Circles series provides a community empowerment space dedicated to sharing experiences with success, struggle, and difference. Our community events include study breaks, monthly teas, favorite film screenings, and our personal and professional development series. These events help us take a break, focus on wellness, think to our future as we build and enjoy community. The members of the Kilachand Honors College community hope we have the opportunity to welcome you to Boston University and Kilachand in the fall. Our fantastic team of ambassadors will be reaching out to you through postcards and email. Do not hesitate to be in touch with our team if you have questions. Once again, congratulations on the achievements that have brought you this far. I hope you will join us at Kilachand for the next steps on your academic journey.